You're out of breath walking up a flight of stairs. You feel that nagging tightness in your back when you bend down. You look in the mirror and wonder when you got so soft. Here's the brutal truth. Your body is screaming at you. It's telling you that you've become weak, slow, and fragile. And if you don't do something about it right now, it's only going to get worse. But what if I told you there's one exercise, one brutally simple movement that can reverse all of that? An exercise so effective, so complete, that the Navy SEALs use it to forge the toughest warriors on Earth. An exercise that will build explosive power, burn fat like a furnace, and turn your body into an unbreakable machine. I'm talking about the burpee. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this movement is so powerful, the hidden benefits most people completely miss, and how to do it correctly so you don't waste your time. Stick around, because by the end, you'll understand why this single exercise might be the most important thing you add to your routine. Number 1, full body explosive power. Let's start with the obvious. Burpees build raw, functional power throughout your entire body. Think about it. You're dropping to the ground, exploding back up, and launching yourself into the air. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps fire as you push up. Your quads, glutes, and calves detonate as you jump. Your core fights to stabilize every single second. This practice isn't like those isolation exercises where you're just curling a dumbbell. This is your body learning to move as one coordinated unit, the way it was designed to move. Studies show that plyometric exercises like burpees increase power output by up to 20% in just weeks. That means you're not just getting stronger, you're getting faster, more explosive, and more athletic. This is why combat athletes and military units drill burpees relentlessly. They need bodies that can generate maximum force in an instant. And so do you, whether you're sprinting after a bus, playing with your kids, or just refusing to become another soft, weak version of yourself. Number 2, metabolic annihilation. Here's where burpees become absolutely legendary. They incinerate calories like nothing else. Research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning found that high-intensity exercises like burpees can burn up to 50% more calories than traditional strength training. And here's the kicker. They keep burning calories for hours after you're done through what's called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. Your body is working so hard to recover that it's torching fat while you're sitting on the couch watching TV. A single burpee engages over 600 muscles. That's more than almost any other exercise. And when you string together 10, 20, 50 burpees in a row, your heart rate skyrockets, your metabolism goes into overdrive, and your body has no choice but to adapt by getting leaner and stronger. This is why fighters use burpees to cut weight. It's why CrossFit athletes build them into every brutal workout. They work, period. Number 3, mental warfare and discipline. But here's what separates burpees from every other exercise. They break you mentally before they break you physically. By the time you reach rep 15, your lungs are burning intensely. Your legs are screaming. Your brain is begging you to quit. And that's precisely the point. Burpees teach you to push through discomfort, to ignore the voice in your head that says stop. You prove to yourself that you're tougher than you think. This is the same lesson drilled into Navy SEALs during Hell Week. It's not about the exercise, it's about forging an unbreakable mind. When you can push through 50 burpees, you can push through anything life throws at you. You become mentally resilient. You become the guy who doesn't quit when things get hard. And that mental toughness, it bleeds into every area of your life, your work, your relationships, your goals. Number 4, cardiovascular conditioning. Unlike mindless jogging on a treadmill, burpees build cardiovascular fitness that actually matters. Your heart rate spikes to 80 to 95% of its maximum within seconds. You're training both your aerobic and anaerobic systems simultaneously. This means better endurance, faster recovery, and a heart that can handle whatever stress you throw at it. A study from the American College of Sports Medicine found that just 10 minutes of high-intensity bodyweight exercise like burpees produces the same cardiovascular benefits as 30 minutes of steady-state cardio. You're getting 3 times the results in 1/3 the time. No equipment, no excuses, just you, the floor, and your willingness to suffer. Number 5, functional strength for real life. Burpees don't just make you look good, they make you useful, getting up off the ground quickly, carrying heavy objects. When necessary, you can move with explosive force. These are real-world movements that modern life has stolen from us. Your ancestors didn't need a gym. They ran, jumped, lifted, and fought. Their bodies were functional, capable, and powerful. Burpees bring that primal movement pattern back. Whether you're helping someone move furniture, playing sports, or just refusing to become another weak, sedentary casualty of modern life, burpees prepare your body for anything. Number 6. Zero excuses required. Here's the beautiful part. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need space. You can do burpees in your bedroom, in a hotel room, or in a parking lot. All you need is a 6-foot strip of floor and the guts to get started. No more excuses about not having time or access to a gym. This exercise strips away every excuse and forces you to confront one simple question. Am I willing to put in the work? Form and technique. Now let's break down how to actually do a burpee correctly. Start standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Drop down fast. Place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Perform a full push-up. Chest touches the ground. Jump your feet back toward your hands. Explode upward. Jump as high as you can, clapping your hands overhead. Land softly and immediately drop into the next rep. For beginners, start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, focusing on perfect form. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. As you get stronger, push for 20, 30, 50 reps without stopping. That's where you'll find out what you're really made of. Common mistakes. Before you destroy yourself, avoid these critical errors. Avoid sagging your hips during planks and maintain a tight core as if you're about to take a punch. Half-rep push-ups. Your chest must touch the ground. No shortcuts. Landing heavy from the jump. Land on the balls of your feet. Knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Slow, lazy movement. Burpees are explosive. Attack each rep with intensity, holding your breath. Breathe out on the push-up, in on the jump. Fix these mistakes and you'll maximize results while protecting your joints. The challenge. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, drop down and give me 10 perfect burpees. Don't think about it. Just do it. Feel that burn? That's your body waking up. That's weakness leaving your system. Burpees will build explosive power, torch fat, forge mental toughness, and turn you into someone who doesn't make excuses. Every drop of sweat is proof that you showed up when most people quit. Every rep is rewriting the limits you once believed you had. The burn you're feeling, that's your transformation in real time. The moment you think you can't go on is exactly when the real work begins. Every rep is a promise to your future self. A promise that you're becoming stronger than yesterday. Push harder, breathe deeper, and prove to yourself what you're really made of. Pain is temporary, but the discipline you build today will stay with you forever. And remember, champions are made in moments just like this. If this breakdown lit a fire under you, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS fitness truth, and drop a comment telling me how many burpees you just crushed. Let's get after it.